Alright, so I just replugged it in. We're going to make another grilled cheese sandwich. The light is on. Your lid is shut here. And the light is on. When the light goes off, it's hot enough and it's ready. Okay, so the light went off and it's ready. So let's lift it up. Now this time I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to spray it. It's going to crackle a little bit. And I'm going to put butter on the bread this time. Now this is a trial and error type of thing. So let's put our bread down. Get our cheese on there. I'm going to put a little more butter on the other one. So when it closes, it may just make it a little more softer. Alright, here we go. All the way down and lock it. We're going to only let that go for a minute. Okay, so this is ready. So I let it go for about 2 minutes. Let's see what we got. Okay. Get the cheese off there. Be careful lifting it out. A little tricky. There we go. Get your cheese out of there. You don't want that burning off. Okay, alright. Alright, so it's broken in half. I slice it. Now this one is less crispy. It's got a little more butter on it. And I think it's good. So put butters on your sides and it'll be a good cream cheese sandwich. So we go over here. And I've got my bean and bacon soup ready. And in this, I used 1 can of bean bacon soup. I used 1 can of water, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of dried onion. About a teaspoon of butter, because butter makes everything taste better. And 1 slice of American white cheese to give it a little bit of color and make it a little bit more creamier. And that's it for today.